How to Draw Mao Mao from Heroes of Pure Heart, step by step. Hey, what's going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing Mao Mao, we're going to begin by drawing the top outline of the ears. We'll draw a simple upside down W line. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We regularly upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Now once we're all done drawing that upside down W line, the next step will be to draw a long curved line going from the bottom left point all the way over to the right. This will help make the outline of the face. So now once we're all done drawing that line along with the ears right above, we have now finished drawing the outline of the face. Next, on the inside of the face, we'll want to draw the eyes. Beginning with the left eye, we're going to draw a shape that looks similar like a half circle on a slant, almost like a moon. On the inside of that shape, we're going to draw the pupil by drawing a small skinny oval going up and down that is filled in completely black. This will be attached to the top of the outline of the eye. Fantastic! Now let's move a little over to the right and draw the second eye, which will look the exact same as the one that we just drew together. So keep in mind that the entire face of Mao Mao will be completely black, so when we make the mouth, we're going to want to draw a small line that will be an outline. The mouth itself will be white when we color in our drawing completely black. Nicely done. Now for the last step of adding detail to the face, we're going to draw two curved lines on the right side of the face to make the whiskers. If you're enjoying this video so far, then be sure to give it a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. Fantastic! Now for the next step, right below the face, we're going to want to draw the outline of the part of the cape that is going around the neck of Mao Mao. Then, on the left and right hand side of this, we're going to draw the shapes of the shoulders of the cape. Now the shapes of the shoulders that we draw will look similar to triangles, and they will both be connected to what we just drew together. Now right below each of the shoulders that we just made, we're going to go ahead and draw the fist. Then, once we draw the outline of the fist, we will connect them to the shoulders to make the arms. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video so you have a moment or two to catch up. Nicely done! Now before we draw the right fist, let's go ahead and finish drawing the left arm. Now before we finish drawing the right fist and arm, let's go ahead and finish drawing the torso, which will connect to the arm that we just made together. Well done, learn how to draw hub crew. Now on the right hand side, let's go ahead and make this fist that we previously mentioned. Then we'll go ahead and make the arm once we're all done drawing the fist. And at the very end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Nice, the upper body looks great. Now let's go ahead and draw the legs. For the first step of drawing the legs, we're going to want to draw the knee guards. So let's begin with the bottom left knee guard. On the inside of this knee guard, we're going to want to go ahead and draw two small lines going from left to right that are attached to the right side of the line. This will help us add in a little bit of detail. Well done! Now let's do the exact same thing for the right hand side as well. So now that we have each of those drawn, we can now go ahead and draw the legs, which will be connected. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause the video. Nicely done! Now let's draw the right leg as well, and keep in mind that at the end of today's video, I'll show you a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Now the final step of today's drawing will be to draw the cape, which will appear to be behind the body of Mao Mao. This is How to Draw Mao Mao from Heroes of Pure Heart. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and if you enjoyed today's video, then be sure to subscribe and give this video a big like. Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.